This is my this is my baby. About 4 or 5 years ago, I went to Walmart and see that everything's Schwinn. It's a Schwinn Phocus, and you'll notice how fancy. See how fancy the brake levers are. It's dirty, so I haven't wiped it off. But see how fancy everything looks. See how fancy the brake design is. It's made in China. The frame, the ride was excellent. But there's a problem with China products. The bearings. See the rust coming out of the cheap bearings? Let me zoom up. And see this? See how cheap the bearings are gone. So what I'm going to do, now this was $99 at Walmart, but don't let that fool you. It rides like a dream. The frame is excellent. Now, what I'm going to do, now, when you get stuff from China, that don't mean the whole thing is bad. No. The frame itself is excellent. Even the seat is excellent. It's just where its sun's faded it a little bit. But the bike shop had a coupon one time. I think it's $160. They'll take any bike and recondition it and put it in and fix it like brand new. Be about $160. What I'm going to do, I'm not going to keep even though the Walmart wheels was good to come with it, I'm going to have the bike shop when I get that's why I want to get rich. This is why I want to become a multi-millionaire. A multi-millionaire, and I would still have bought this bicycle for $100. Well, $99. That's how good a ride this was. Frame is built like a rock, but the bearings from China are junk. Anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have the bicycle shop put 2 real good wheels on it. Notice the wheels are gone. Nothing wrong with the wheels, but when I take it to the bike shop, I'm gonna have 2 real, and I'm gonna have them, the rubber. You can get those expensive wheels that are rubber sealed at the bearings. An external piece of rubber, real nice looking wheels. But I'm gonna have that done. It's 6061 aluminum. You see there. But this is my baby that died. My baby that died. Yeah, the bearings didn't last 3 or 4 months. That's how junk the bearings are coming from China. But I'll give them credit. They make one amazing bike frame. The bicycle frame is wonderful. I love Schwinn. I want to emphasize, the camera. I want to emphasize there's nothing at all wrong. It's just dirty. You know, see the rust, like I said, sorry for the traffic noise. See the rust coming from cheap bearings. But there ain't nothing wrong with that frame. The frame itself, I'm gonna get these redone, retaped, and get all new brake cables. Them brakes are real good. I'm going to keep those brakes. They're just a little dirty. But the frame itself is excellent, wonderful, amazing, beautiful. It's just the bearings. The bearings coming from China are no good. Everything else is excellent. Ain't that crazy? They make an excellent frame, China. Excellent frame. But the bearings are no good. So I got to take it to the bike shop and have it redone. Brand new bearings put in, and 2 high-performance wheels. I wouldn't mind at all riding this bicycle here in Ohio to California. I wouldn't mind it at all. And I love this. Oh, this is so beefy. It makes the bicycle for some reason even ride. It's makes it solid as a rock. I love that wide stem there. Makes it even look expensive. My Schwinn Phocus, my $99 wonderful bike, minus the bad bearings. I'm gonna resurrect it. Resurrection came and talked to hits early. I'm gonna take it to the bike shop, and I'm gonna make it brand new again. My baby that died